What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. The sender information looks kind of familiar to me, so I guess we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. We're just going to make a quick incision right there. There we go. Grace and accuracy and all that. Hold on. Okay, there's something, a whole bunch of tactical peanuts, and something in brown packing paper. Okay, so here's what we've got. Okay. This was sent by Qvist_Bladeworks. So please give them a call. It's because people like that it's because of people like that that I able bring content to many for joy. It's because of people like them that I'm able to bring you guys daily knife content. Let's see here. I have no idea what this is. Okay, but thank you for the note. I know where to send it back to. Qvist Bladeworks. Okay. Interesting. All right. I don't know anything about this knife. It feels like a fairly inexpensive knife that's got nice quality to it. The first things that I'm noticing are that it's in 14C28N steel. It's a nice, I guess we're probably gonna call that a Wharncliffe. Every time I say it's a Wharncliffe, people are like, it's a sheep's foot. And every time I say it's a sheep's foot, people are like, it's a Wharncliffe. It's a Warn sheep or sheep's cliff or whatever. Whatever the blade is what it is. I do like the position of the opening hole, that little slot right there. Very easy to do the reverse flick. It's also pretty easy to do the thumb flick or just wheel it out. It makes for a weird, I don't know, it's not a bad ergonomic. At first I was going to say it was a weird ergonomic experience. It is kind of if you lock your index finger in here. But yeah, it's all right here. The pocket clip is nice. It's very straightforward, but it's, good in the sense that it's just a generic clip that is going to work. Sandwich construction, pillar construction, liner lock. Lockup is good. No pivot lash. And no detent lash either. For whatever reason, I tried to ghost flip it there. I don't know why I thought that. Interesting. I have never, ever heard of this brand. Qvist Bladeworks. Very interesting. All right. Well, this is just an unboxing and first impressions. Let's check centering. Oh, wow. Centering is like laser perfect. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, not a review. A full review will come a few weeks down the road. But this is definitely interesting. It's a knife style. It's like knives that are liner locks with opening holes. It's we have a bajillion of those. The look is a little different though, and it's almost got kind of a sway back look to it. And then the fact that it feels like a relatively inexpensive knife. It's compared to what I normally show on the channel, and the fact that it's using 14C28N, which is a very good steel for what I assume this price territory is. It's got my interest a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. 2 to 3 weeks, you get a full comprehensive review. I'll link it down below if I can. Thank you very much to the gentleman who sent this in. Very excited to take a closer look at it. There's my card. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.